Hi everybody, it's Shelby Hartman, DoubleBlind's editor-in-chief. There are so many ways that you can consume magical mushrooms, but one of our favorites at DoubleBlind is shroom tea. So today we're going to show you how. For those of you who have tripped on mushrooms, you probably know that one of the most common side effects of tripping on mushrooms is nausea on the come up. Some folks experience it, some folks don't experience it, other people sometimes experience it, but for the people who always experience nausea on the come up, they really oftentimes sort of accept it as an inevitable part of the trip. Like, okay, I'm gonna take my shrooms, I'm gonna wait, they're gonna kick in, and then I'm gonna start to feel upset to my stomach, nauseous, and maybe even like I wanna vomit. And then once I get over that hump, I'm gonna be on my way to the trip, and you know, the nausea is really just inevitable. Shroom tea is a really great way to, I don't want to say prevent nausea, but to reduce the risk of experiencing nausea. One of the ways that we especially love to do this is by adding ginger to our shroom teas, so that's how we decided to show you to do it today. And Dr. Kay Mandrake, who wrote the Psilocybin Mushroom Bible and also just came out with a book on psilocybin cooking, loves to incorporate ginger into all kinds of psilocybin infused recipes. So ginger is a must. Some other things about shroom tea is that you will probably come up on your shrooms faster. That's because when you grind the mushrooms down, you're actually creating more surface area. So the mushrooms are processed more easily by your digestive tract than when you're consuming the mushroom, the raw mushroom whole. You can use many different types of tea to drink your psilocybin, chamomile, lavender, peppermint. Obviously, the effects of whatever herbal tea or caffeinated tea that you choose are going to combine with the effects of the psilocybin, so be conscientious of that. Another reason that we love to make shroom tea, why I love to make shroom tea, is I just love the ritual of it. If you're choosing to do mushrooms in sort of a ceremonial way, ritualistic way with intention for spiritual growth, for healing, to go inward, there's just something really beautiful about taking the time before you trip to grind the mushrooms, to put them into the hot water, to put your favorite honey in there to sweeten up the tea. There's just something really lovely about setting your intention as you're making your tea and then slowly sort of sipping on the tea as you process the fact that you're about to trip. Yeah, there's many ways to consume mushrooms, and you know, we don't like to create a hierarchy at DoubleBlind of, you know, this way is better than that way, but this is one option, and yeah, here's how to do it. So if you're interested in learning more about how to take shrooms and other kinds of psychedelics with intention, either you've never tripped before or you have tripped before but you're just ready to go deeper into your journey with plant medicines, we recently came out with a course called Using Psychedelics for Growth that includes all kinds of information on dose and integration and the fundamentals of preparation, really gonna help you go deeper into your journey with plant medicines. But this is a great place to start. We also have tons tons of free content on our website, doubleblindmag.com, and on our YouTube channel. Check out the links below for more videos on psychedelics.